Every high-quality leather shoe has a long journey, a journey that begins long before it reaches a store shelf. This journey starts inside a modern leather processing factory, where strict systems, trained workers, and advanced machines work together. The first step begins with carefully transported cattle arriving at the facility. Each animal is inspected to ensure it meets health and quality standards. Nothing moves forward without proper verification. Once approved, the raw hides enter a highly controlled processing environment. Cleanliness and precision are critical at every stage. Inside the factory, automated systems begin cleaning the hides using recycled water. These machines remove impurities while preserving the natural strength of the leather. Next comes the tanning process, one of the most important steps in leather production. Large rotating drums treat the hides with carefully measured solutions. This process transforms rawhide into durable, flexible leather that can last for years. Temperature, pressure, and timing are constantly monitored. Every detail matters. After tanning, excess moisture is removed, and the leather is dried under controlled airflow conditions. Once dried, each leather sheet is inspected by skilled professionals. They check texture, thickness, and surface quality. Only the best pieces move forward. The approved leather is then cut into precise shapes using laser-guided machines and expert hands. These pieces will soon become shoe uppers, linings, and panels. In the stitching section, industrial sewing machines bring the pieces together. Every stitch must be strong, clean, and perfectly aligned. Meanwhile, shoe soles are produced separately, using durable rubber molds designed for comfort and grip. When the uppers and soles are ready, they are bonded using industrial adhesives and pressure systems to form the complete shoe. The shoes are then shaped, polished, and refined. This step gives them their final structure and appearance. Before packaging, every pair goes through strict quality control. Flexibility, balance, finish, and comfort are all tested. Only shoes that pass inspection are approved for sale. Finally, the finished shoes are carefully packed, labeled, and prepared for shipping. From raw material to finished product, this entire process combines technology, craftsmanship, and precision. What you see in a store is not just a shoe. It is the result of hundreds of steps, countless quality checks, and a factory working in perfect coordination. This is how leather shoes are made inside a modern factory.